Hey, what's going on, everyone? Paint Equipment Sales here, and today we have a 2023 Bobcat T770 skid steer. This is a Tier 4 92 horsepower skid steer. It's got high lift. You get a 1-speed standard flow, which is 23 gallons per minute. This comes with brand new tracks that were put on right before we got it. It also comes with a brand new 80-inch front bucket, a 1-button quick connect. You get hand and foot controls, and this thing has 1,000 hours. We offer financing, business or personal, and we do offer statewide and US freight. And for anyone that doesn't know now, we do offer repairs. So anyone that needs repairs, PMs, hoses, tracks, we can offer it at Paint Equipment Sales. Give us a call, 623-698-2784, or go to paintequipmentsales.com and come buy this beautiful machine.